Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy blueberry sauce. For this recipe, I'm using 1 pint of blueberries. Just going to wash them and then I'll come back. So I'm back here now and I'm just going to put them in my pot. And to that I'm adding half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of water. Give that a stir and leave that on medium heat until you see it starts to bubble, and that will take somewhere about 7 minutes or so. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to get my cornstarch ready, and I'm measuring out 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water to make a slurry. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. Okay, now that it's starting to bubble, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And please don't skip the lemon juice. This just brings out the flavor. It just makes it so good. And then I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry. Give that a stir and let that cook for another minute or so until it thickens up. Be careful when you're stirring the blueberries, you don't want to break them up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be glad to have you subscribe, and be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And that's it, you guys. In less than 10 minutes you have blueberry sauce, and I just love this so much. It's just the easiest thing to make and it's so good. I'm going to let this cool down for about 30 minutes and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Well, this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. It thickened up nicely. And oh my goodness, this is just the best thing. You have to try it if you haven't tried it already. And it's just easy to make. This is perfect to put over your pancakes or your waffles. You can put this over yogurt, on cheesecake, on whatever dessert you want to put it on. Yeah, that's it, and it's so easy and it tastes so good. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so yeah, come follow me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.